Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about LAM Research CORP quarterly report. LAM Research Corporation offers a wide range of businesses and services to the semiconductor industry. The company's product portfolio includes semiconductor processing equipment, ALTA systems for film deposition, SABRE electrochemical deposition, products for copper interconnect transition speed gapfill high density, plasma CVD products, Striker single wafer atomic layer deposition products, Vector plasma enhanced CVD products Flex, Vantex, Keo, Syndion and Versys metal products for etch applications, Coronis bevel clean products to enhance die yield Da Vinci, DV Prime, EOS, and SB series products for wafer cleaning applications Reliant deposition, etch and clean products, Sensei platform products. In addition to its product offerings, the company also provides customer service, spares, and upgrades. And LAM Research Corp stock skyrockets. A year of unprecedented growth in the past year, LAM Research Corp stock has experienced a remarkable surge of 103.16%, driven by a combination of strong financial performance and positive industry trends. The company's consistent earnings beats, booming demand for AI-driven semiconductor manufacturing equipment, and overall growth in the wafer fabrication equipment WFE market have all contributed to its success. A key driver of LAM Research's stock price increase has been the escalating demand for semiconductors essential for artificial intelligence applications. The company's innovative solutions, specifically designed to address the complex requirements of AI-driven semiconductor production, have led to a surge in orders for its advanced manufacturing equipment. Additionally, the overall expansion of the global WFE market and increased investments in semiconductor infrastructure have directly benefited LAM Research. The company has also achieved historically high gross margins, exceeding 50% in some recent quarters, due to increased operational efficiency and a favorable product mix. With a strong future outlook and strategic wins, including its new conductor etch tool, Akara, contributing to market share gains in DRAM and foundry business, LAM Research's stock is expected to continue its upward trajectory. As financial institutions raise their price targets and maintain positive ratings for the company's stock, investor confidence remains high. The primary drivers of revenue growth for a company are primarily attributed to two key factors: the semiconductor equipment segment and the Asia-Pacific region. The semiconductor equipment segment accounts for a significant 93% of revenue, indicating its substantial contribution to overall revenue growth. Additionally, the Asia-Pacific region is also a major driver of revenue growth, accounting for 54% of total revenue. These regions have been instrumental in driving the company's revenue upward, contributing significantly to its financial performance. Net income and profit margins. A shift in performance. The financial performance of a company has undergone significant changes between Q2 2024 and the current period. Notably, net income has increased by 34%, reaching $1.1 billion. This substantial growth is a positive indicator of the company's financial health. However, a closer look at profit margins reveals a decline in gross margin by 0.5 percentage points to 44.6%. This decrease suggests that while revenue may be increasing, the company's ability to maintain profitability through cost control and pricing strategies has been compromised. The reasons behind this shift are not explicitly stated, but it is likely due to various market and operational factors affecting the company's bottom line. The company's financial performance across various segments and regions has been mixed. The semiconductor equipment segment saw a significant increase in revenue, up 25% year-over-year, while the service segment also performed well with a 15% year-over-year growth. Geographically, Asia-Pacific was the standout region, with a 28% year-over-year revenue increase driven by strong demand from China and South Korea. The Americas also saw a notable improvement, with a 20% year-over-year revenue increase due to robust demand in the United States and Canada. However, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, EMEA, was the only region that experienced a decline in revenue, down 5% year-over-year, attributed to weaker demand in certain regions. In terms of inventory performance, raw materials saw an uptick of 3%, while work-in-process and finished goods declined by 12% and 13%, respectively, from Q2 2024 levels. Management is optimistic about the company's future, driven by strong demand for semiconductor equipment and services. They are investing in growth initiatives and have a significant cash balance to fund these efforts. Additionally, they aim to return value to shareholders through a $10 billion share repurchase program. However, management acknowledges various risks and uncertainties that could impact operations, including market fluctuations and supply chain disruptions. The company has a history of share buybacks, with a notable example being the authorization in May 2024 to purchase up to an additional $10 billion of common stock. As of September 28, 2025, the company had already repurchased approximately $7.5 billion of its common stock under this program. That concludes the financial summary for LAM Research CORP. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.